Alright, here we have a 1998 Honda Passport, or Isuzu Rodeo. It's the same thing. And what it's doing is making a little whining noise. Right now it's shut off. I'm going to start her back up. I'm going to start her up here and let everybody hear it. I kind of got it narrowed down to what it is, but I just want to show you how I narrowed it down. So let me shut it off and get it started. Alright, that's that whining noise it's making. It just started little by little. Now it's just gotten to where it's really annoying. So alright, back to quiet again. I've kind of narrowed it down to this idle pulley right here. I stuck a screwdriver on there, and it kind of felt kind of windy on the inside. So I'm going to pull that serpentine belt off, fire back up, and we'll see how quiet it gets. Alright, we got the serpentine belt off, and here's this idler pulley. I don't know if you can hear it now, but just by spinning on it you can tell it's kind of making noise and a little bit wobbly, so it's probably the bearings on that thing. So we'll fire it up again, it's just to make sure. Alright, got it fired back up again. Without the serpentine belt, it's just the motor running, so it's pretty quiet now. So it's got to be the idle pulley. So we'll take it off and get a new one. Alright, we got the idle pulley taken off, and you can see there's where it came out of. And all that thing is, it's just a way to get that belt to be going around there pretty good. But here's the pulley that came off. Just take that ring off and take that spacer off, and of course the nut, because the one at the store is not going to have that on there. But be sure to take your old one with you to the store to match it up, because I've heard some of the old ones, the off the market ones, are kind of different. So, but really easy to take off. So just take it with you. Alrighty, I'm on my way to get a new one. Alright, there's the front part of the nut that holds in place. There's a spacer in the back, and this ring that holds everything in there and kind of tightens it down. But here's the old one. I can just feel right now that the bearing is real bad on it. I can feel it grinding in there, so this is our problem. Alright, there's our new idle pulley installed, and I say this is very simple to install. All I gotta do now is put the belt back on and fire it up. But I just want to mention that the noise actually sounded like it was coming from in here in the motor part. And I'm sure if I'd have taken it to the mechanic, he could have charged me up the wing for something that really didn't need to be fixed. So, you know, first thing is go ahead and take that serpentine belt off and fire it up. And if the noise goes away, then you know it's nothing inside the motor internally. It's got to be something outside, like the pulley, your alternator, your air conditioner, or your power steering pump. Anything out here is basically going to be the culprit if the noise goes away. So now I'll put that belt back on and fire it up, and we should be good to go. Alright, belt is back on, motor's running, and it's as quiet as can be. So that took care of the problem. So like I said, it sounded like it was internal in the engine, but it was actually just that pulley, the bearings going out. So save yourself some money. Here's some noises in your vehicle. First of all, just take that belt off, and if the noise stops, it's got to be warning something that the belt turns. So hope this helps out. Thanks for watching. Later.